This is my trade right over here. This is my trade 100%. This is my trade. Oh. All right, what up, boys? So I'm going to give you guys an entire webinar course over here, guys. I really want to be the reason you guys get a payout. I really do, man. I want to be a part of your testimony, bro. I really do, man. I'm doing things the right way, unlike a lot of other people right now. And I guess my goal is it's not the luxury things, man. My goal is to get a lot of testimonies, man. That's what I want, man. You know, guys. So I want to honor you guys with a massive webinar, guys. I got another payout with Funded Hero, guys. I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. The Discord is going crazy this month with payouts, right? Sorry, I get excited, right? I like when other people win, right? So now they give me a code. It's called code YouTube, right? So I don't make any money here, guys. I wanted to give you guys the biggest discount possible. So you guys can get anything on their website, anything for 40% off if you use code YouTube, all right? So you can get a funded account using 40% off code YouTube, literally biggest discount you'll ever get it. And they actually pay out. The Discord has got more than 10,000 people in it. More than 10,000 people. And the payout section of the Discord, yo, every single day they're posting. And people get payouts and they post it. And like, bro, they show the actual transaction. Guys, this is a real place, guys. This is a real place. I want you guys to be like, Daniel, I did it. I got a payout. Let's go. I'm telling you guys enough about me, man. Let's get straight into this massive webinar, guys. Get your notebooks out because not only are we going to go over technical analysis, I do want to go over fundamentals, guys. I want to go over how your decision making, your prefrontal cortex, your dopamine cravings, your amygdala, and your fear circuits, how they're all affecting your decision making into your trades, right? So I want to give you guys a whole entire trading plan, and we're gonna go over Euro, we're gonna go over GBP, USD, we're gonna go over GJ, whatever you guys feel comfortable with. At the end of the day, I wrote down everything over here, the best books in the world, literally, guys. So I really hope I get to be a part of your testimony, man. I'm going all in for you guys. It's Saturday morning, and I do want to show you guys one thing over here that I wrote down. Number 3, this is really good. So when you externalize emotions, journal every single trade. Guys, you need to journal every single trade. With the state of mind, data shows labeling emotion reduces the intensity by up to 70% given your control of chaos. Guys, you can actually literally be the best trader you can be, guys. I promise you. It's all written. It's all statistics. You guys just need to trust yourself, and you need to put God first always, man, because he wants the best for you. Again, enough about that, guys. Let's go straight into this webinar, guys. Please get your notebooks out, man. I really want to be a part of your testimony. I say this humbly, God. Please, anybody watching this video, let me be a part of their testimony, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. Let's go. All right, my boys, let's get it. All right, I'm excited, man. All right, so I'm going to try to do the best I can, guys, the most I can. So take the notebooks out, man. I got 3 over here. I got another one back here. Guys, come on. We can do this, right? This is going to be good for all my people out there in third world countries, man, who can't afford education as well, man. This one's for you guys. This one's for everybody that, is tired of paying. I'm not leaving nothing behind, guys. I'm going to give you guys everything, dude. Everything. No gatekeeping whatsoever, guys. I don't sell a course anymore. I just want to give all my education here. I do have a community, but that's all, man. Let's get it, guys. All right, so I got GJ over here. Now, I do want to start off by going to the daily. Now, one thing that I did talk about was I talked about, journaling your trades. And that's one thing that I have over here. That's why I've never reset my charts again. I got trades that literally lead up from 2020 over here, guys, So again, guys, it's very, very important. Now, I want to go to a clean chart. So we're going to be breaking down a lot over here, my boys. This is August 24th video. We can start off over here. We can go over here. Boom. Alrighty. So one thing is that I want to go over is down here. This is called the accumulation distribution. It's an indicator, guys. So this is very, very good. Sometimes you'll be able to see smart money getting out, and you'll see a lot of traps. So this is very, very, very solid. So one thing over here you can see on the daily is we go one more daily candle. Notice how we're kind of like on a little pullback over here on the accumulation distribution. We kind of found a little support right over here as well. All right. So, I mean, now we broke a little bit of highs, but over here we didn't break a highs. It's because, as you guys can see, it looks like we're probably about to go up, right? So this is really, really solid. I recommend this indicator, guys. I recommend it. I gate kept this for so long. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So just imagine what swing traders, what swing traders can do. Oh my God, that gap was ridiculous. Jeez. Oh my lordy. I'm telling you. So notice how we just there you go. Sorry, I have ADHD, guys. Don't forget. So we did come to a little support down here. We were breaking highs, but we weren't breaking highs over here. But that was because I'm telling you guys, you need to use this, learn it, trade with it. And when I tell you guys straight up, this thing can do wonders for you guys. Wonders. It can do wonders. I am saying. So let's go back. Now I want to go to the select bar. We'll go over here. Now we're going to go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. So notice how we're under all these indicators, right? So this is the 300 SMA, which acts as a heavyweight indicator, guys. The 300 SMA, guys, literally is the heavyweight of heavyweights. The 200 SMA and the 50 SMA. So junior desk traders that use these, you guys can Google it. I'm not capping. And people use these indicators for overall direction, right? So look at the 300 as a heavyweight. Look at the 200 as kind of like a medium term direction. The 50 SMA is short term, and the black one, which is a 300, literally that is a long term, correct? Now, notice how we are trading above. We're trading underneath them, and we're about to start trading above, right? But if we go here to the accumulation distribution indicator, notice how as well as we were on a downtrend going down here, we were also on a downtrend here, correct? Let me just, bam, boom. So we were kind of on a downtrend here. So again, we did find a little support. Hey, I'll be real with you guys. You're going to be very, very shocked. I've never seen really anybody talk about this. So what do we got to do, man? We got to just, first of all, start off with our levels of support. Our levels of support and resistance, correct? That's what I want to do. And I want to show you guys how you were able to catch this move. Support, a little resistance over here. Another level of support. All right, now we're going to go to the 30-minute. So we got major levels, and now we're going to have some little minor ones. This is a nice little minor level over here, as you guys can see. Remember, guys, it doesn't matter if your support resistance is perfect. You just want to look for the areas where it had the most rejections, correct? Well, we'll use that. So what time is it? 17. All right, it's still Asian session. Oh, man, look at that. That looks great buy. I'm not going to lie to you guys. And if you look over here, on the AD indicator, we are bullish. We are currently bullish. We just need to be in session. What time is it? So let's wait for London. Oh, look at that liquidity grab right there. Bam. All right, that looks like a good buy. Look at that. Bullish. We're creating new highs. We're bullish on the closure. Liquidity grab. We're above all the SMAs. Solid closure. Could have a stop loss right under all these indicators, like a 1 to 4. Can't even beat it, right? A TP1, you could do an overall direction at this level right over here, which is the basically the top of this zone. But let's see. Man, that's beautiful. AD is still going up. Accumulation distribution is still going up. All right, what time is it? Okay, cool. We're getting a retracement. What time is it now? Oh, afternoon. So it looks like we hit a 2 risk to reward ratio, guys, for about 90 pips. Barely saw any drawdown. We didn't even see drawdown, man. We were just wasting time for like an hour. So we didn't see any single type of drawdown, correct? So if we go back again, this was a great setup. This was great. It was very textbook. We are bullish on the accumulation distribution. We were already bullish. All we needed was to get into session, guys. So we already got our trading plan right there. We can focus on the session, guys. We are great, right? We started trading above all the SMAs. We had a nasty liquidity grab. We had a bullish closer, super solid. And hey, man, we are making new higher lows over here on the AD. So, dude, second that we got into session, man, as you can see, we just completely freaking just started going all the way up, going crazy. So let's keep going. Nice winning trade. Nice winning trade. Alrighty. So what time is it now? 3 in the morning. Okay. So let's zoom this out. All right. Looks like we're about to be super bullish over here. All right. So we got, this is actually very aggressive. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. That looks like a good buy though. Like, oh my God. I ain't even gonna lie. That was like a great buy. Look at that AD before that. If you can see, I'm telling you guys, this thing is a very solid gold mine. Look how this aggressive just pullback right there on that. And then above that zone, it was completely amazing. Right, I'm getting a phone call. Sorry. Let's keep going. Now, if you would have took this buy, again, stop loss under here. Always stop loss under the previous low. Either way, it is a big stop loss. Doesn't matter. Always go for them 1-to-1s. Remember? Bam! That was solid. So let's keep going. Kind of ranging over here. So what do we have to do? We have to make sure that we get out of this range. But what time is it? 11 in the morning? No, too late now. We got to wait till the next session. Oh, and it was Friday. All right, cool. All right, so we are rising. Beautiful. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, Dr. Dollar called me. Probably congratulating me on my payouts. I'm telling you guys, bro. Code YouTube, guys. Code YouTube. Check the Discord, man. There's freaking bro, 10,000 traders in there. And there's a lot of payouts. Alrighty. Now, we are pulling up above these highs. All right, great. Let's keep going. Okay. All right, this looks like we're pulling up now. This looks great. What time is it? 2:30 in the morning. Where's my next zone? My next zone is over here for these highs. Yep, break and retest level. Would I take that? Yep, we are bullish. We are bullish. I would take this any day. Put a little 30 stop loss right there. Ooh, let's go. I'm telling you guys, right? No gatekeeping. We're going crazy on this. We're going crazy. We haven't lost one yet. Haven't lost one yet. Now we're getting aggressive. We're getting very aggressive. So it looks like people are kind of selling off right now. So this could be a nice little sell off any minute. Oh, look at that. Nope. Buyers pushed it right back up. What time is it? 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 in the morning. I guess that was our whole entire pullback. Yeah, this looks great, man. Oh my, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, and I'm not looking at nothing over here. The only thing I got over here is literally just to make sure that you guys can see me. This is not, remember, I got ADHD. I'm telling you guys, no gatekeeping. This thing is legendary, right? No gatekeeping, guys. No gatekeeping, man. There's no point. There's no point, man. I want to see you guys win, man. I want to be a part of your testimony. So let's keep going, guys, right? So now we are still very, very bullish. We need to wait for the move to completely play out. Now we should have more continuation. Oh, looks like, yeah, we got more continuation. Are we going to see 161? Most likely. Man, let's go. Sorry, guys. Now we have a pullback. But notice how we're having a pullback, correct? We have this pullback, and this was probably what, like 25 pips? 39 pips. Oh my God. Sheesh. All right, so we got 39 pips. We got to pull back, but look at this, man. We have aggressive point back up, right? So we got an aggressive pullback over here. It doesn't look too aggressive. So the next candle means a lot. All right, still haven't broke the lows. All right, looks like we're probably going to most likely pull back. Now, the one thing that we need to understand is we need to grab liquidity. So we could probably come back to this area. Again, remember, it's still Asian session, so we don't need to be focused on this anytime soon, right? All right, great. Look at that. Grab some liquidity. Let's keep going. All righty. What time is it? 1 in the morning? Okay. Ooh, dude. Now, a little late into session. Missed out. This would have been a great buy. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This is kind of scary. Oh, let's go. Oh, man, we're killing it, bro. We are killing it. We are completely killing it, right? So again, guys, this thing is a beast. It is a beast. Now we officially broke all these highs over here. So we go over here. Let me see where we're at. So, yo, I'm telling you, we did break highs a lot over here on the AD, we're kind of at resistance, but we did break the highs. What does that mean? Possibly it could be a pullback. Oh, look, that was a nasty pullback, literally. Let's continue, guys. Okay, cool. So we got a pullback. We got a great pullback, and we're still trading above. We're still high. Man, this is great. This is amazing. Now we have some news over here. What time is it right now? I believe there could be, if we notice one thing, look. So we did stop all these people. We did stop all these people. We still have people here that are in buys. We still have more liquidity here in buys. So is there a possibility we continue? Maybe, but we should probably pull back. We should, man. It's too much volume. The push is too insane, dude. You know, you guys got to always be cautious. If it looks too good, man, it usually always is. That looks aggressive. That looks very aggressive for a sell. Okay. We could use this off. Now, we don't want to be greedy as well. We're still under the 50 SMA. Let's do something like this. Oh. I don't know, boys. I'm nervous. All right, so we're probably not going to win this one. What did we see? We saw about 40 pips. 40 pips, guys. Hey, man, it's 40 pips. 40 pips, though. Can't be wrong about 40 pips. Now, let's see where we're at. So, 40 pips. We did break highs over here. Even though we did touch the resistance. Notice here. Notice that even though we did test the resistance, notice how we did break these highs. You get me? So, this is a great indication to get out of those sells. 100%. Now, we can get some great indications for a buy. I want to go the 1 hour on this one. All right, looks like we're under the 50 SMA. 50 SMA. Let me see where we're at. We're still bullish over here. Not going to lie to you. We're still bullish. We are breaking highs. Notice how we broke highs on this hour. And then over here, we're still kind of, we broke, but we're not above. I'm telling you guys. Very sneaky, very sneaky. Next candle. Bullish. Man. Let me see what the 30-minute looks like. I'm telling you. I haven't really seen a massive liquidity grab. So one thing there we got to be very patient about. What time is it? We are not in session, but let's go goodbye though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, liquidity grab. I guess that was kind of more like a swing trade, but didn't happen. Anyways, now we're bearish. We're super bearish. Super bearish. Yeah, that looks like a great sell-off. Nice. Amazing. So, again, we broke the lows on the pullback. And as you can see, man, we just started completely breaking lows, right? So we would have been a little bit patient instead of wanting to swing that during the Asian session. And late session, I'm telling you, we would have won the trade. So again, don't be greedy with it, guys. As you can see, even I could lose on this, right? So now I did write something down over here. So I got to fix over here, right? So write this down. So train delayed gratification. This is very good for people who struggle with getting in early and getting out late. I'm telling you guys, this is very great. So train delayed gratification, right? Set a timer after spotting a setup. Wait until the candle close or wait until your alert, sorry, not heart. Your alert confirms. Neurology proves consistent. Delay retains the prefrontal cortex. The override impulses. All right, so dude, can I read? Oh my God. Neurology proves consistent delay retrains the prefrontal cortex to override impulses. Bro, you know it's bad when you can't even read your own handwriting. I'm telling you. But then again, I have my phone over here and it keeps vibrating. Anyways, guys, we're already 15 minutes in, bro. I hope you guys are enjoying this, bro. So now we do have these SMAs, guys, which need to catch up. I'm telling you, the 1 hour is probably down here. We could potentially just completely melt off. So the fact is that on the 30-minute, I'm already under the 200 SMA. I'm about to reach the 300, but I'm already under the 50 on the 1 hour. I'm just going to probably focus on the 1 hour for now. And I would really like to make my way down in order to these lows, which we probably will see these lows. So probably another 40 pips, maybe. Very possible. Okay, let's see. So we're either going to completely drop down for a break and retest to take out these lows. and make way for our indicators to catch up, because there's no way we are going to continue. Oh, damn, that looks bearish, dude. That's a good sell right here. That is a good sell. I would take this sell any day. Oh, I got clapped. Anyways, wasn't it? Probably, what time is it? Well, nothing really happened. Anyways, guys, I got too overconfident. Let's keep going, right? 30-minute. Let me see where I could have went wrong. So if I look over here on the 30-minute, wow, my 30-minute, I was continuing to make highs. On this candle, yeah, I was continuing to make highs. Really wasn't it, literally. So let's keep going. Spot the errors, guys. Okay. If we can get a bearish engulfing candle, I would take that sell. Sheesh, what time is it? 7 in the morning? All right. One more sell. One more fake out. Underneath. No volume. You know what, man? This is only replay mode, man. Literally. This is only a replay mode. Yeah. Oh. Guys, we got blown out. All right, cool. Let's keep going, guys. No point to be scared. Oh my God, that range is disgusting. Yeah, this is the account blower range. Oh. That thing left my camera view. It left my camera view. All right, boys, let's see where we could have got this. So we noticed, all right, this was, oh man, we got broke some highs. Now we did come with an aggressive pullback. We're still trading above. We're still buying. We're still very aggressive. This look, notice how over here, notice how we kind of reached the resistance, but over here on the accumulation distribution, I was going too quick. I didn't even notice this, guys, right? Sorry, I'm a little nervous. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't done a big class like this in so long, but I'm trying my best for you guys, right? So notice, and I gotta keep looking here just in case that I don't put price over the camera, all right? So now notice how on the accumulation distribution, we were seeing highs, but over here we were at resistance. I'm telling you guys, these are things that you need to notice. You guys got to go a little slow, because even I can show you, even teaching you guys, that we miss things. We miss things. So this would have been a great indication to get into a possible pullback buy, literally, right? So if we would have broke this down on a smaller time frame, let's say maybe a 5-minute or something, maybe we could have seen something. Oh man, that was just massive, dude. That was massive. We could have gotten and broken these highs. Either way, that was 100 pip push, dude. 100 pip push. The SMAs on the 15-minute completely using us as a support with the 50 SMA. This was great, dude. This was really, really great. So anyway, guys, we're going to take a little 5-minute break, and we'll be back. All right, boys, we are back. All right, my bad, guys. I had Dr. Dollar calling me to see if I got my payout. He wanted me to do a video, and I'm like, bro, I'm already making a video for you guys. He's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm telling you guys, man. This company really does pay out, man. You guys really should check them out. Use code YouTube, guys. You get 40% off on your funded account. You get 40% off of your challenge. I don't make any money, man. I want to sacrifice it just so that way it can go into your pocket, and you guys can actually just trade, man. Just join the community, guys. We're killing it. Right, so let's go back into it, right? So now let's do a whole entire recap where we were at. So basically, we did break highs on the accumulation distribution indicator. So over here at 2:30 in the morning, we were breaking highs. This would have been a great opportunity just to buy in here. Now we did have a little pullback, which was kind of like a liquidity grab to scare and trap sellers. This was to trap people so that retail traders can sell. And guess what? The indicator already showed us that this was a fake out. It was a fake out. So you could have bought in, you could have had support as the 50 SMA underneath it. And dude, you could have freaking won this, bro. Yeah, I mean, if you would have really paid attention, if we would have been really, really just focused, no distractions, no social media. I'm telling you guys, Instagram is a poison, correct? Just focus on your journey, man. Come back when you already made it, all right? So let's keep going. And then we're going to switch to some Euro USD setups. So as you guys can see, man, all we need is just the indicators, price action, support and resistance, man. We don't need nothing else. We haven't even used the Fibonacci yet. All right, so where are we? So it looks like we're bearish right now on the accumulation distribution. Now we are seeing lows, continue to see lows. Now, even though we were basically, if you notice, if we look at both at the same time, we kind of have a range over here, but we are seeing lows. Notice how we just dropped. Yeah, that's a good little indication as well that you guys can use. And that was a 50 pip drop. So again, guys, now over here, we did have a little range. We did have a little range. We had a fake out. We had a fake out. But remember, we are seeing lows. We are seeing lows on the AD, right? So since we are seeing lows, we should have just waited. And if you see over here, 9:30 in the morning, you could have took a sell right over here and you could have won this complete beautiful freaking drop, right? Now, again, we are approaching now officially some pullback energy. Now, what do we have to do? We have to be patient. Let's let our indicators catch up. Let's go to another time frame. On the 1 hour, okay, this looks great. And let's just finish out the day and we'll come back during London. All right, so now it looks like we're probably going to pull back. Let me check this indicator. Okie dokie. Nope. I got this really quick. 1 second, boys. Get me. Man, we are going to be here for a minute, guys. So hope you guys are enjoying, man. Seriously. I don't want to gatekeep nothing, man. I really want to be a part of your testimony. I really do. So let's keep going. What time is it? Nope. Still. Oh man, oh man, that's a sell-off right there. Sheesh, if I've ever seen one. Yep. Look at that. Oh no. The break of the retest. Oh, we did it. All right, so 1-1 still hit, guys. If we could have lost this trade over here, that's 30-minute. So let's say we would have lost this trade over here, guys. We still had another opportunity up here. So again, guys, I mean, wins are wins, whatever it is, guys. At the end of the day, markets provide, indicators don't lie. Let's get it. Let's keep going. We're probably going to stop out these buyers over here, provide more buying opportunities. All right, amazing. All right, oh man, this is great. Look at this. Look how aggressive we are on this buy over here. What time is it? Oh man, this is a good buy, but it is not in session, man. It is not in session. Now, I do want to pull out something. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to pull out something I've been using. If you got this far, man, type something in the chat. Literally. So let's rip out this fixed range volume indicator, right? So now I'm going to go from the top to the bottom. Boom. Now, guys, this is the point of control. This is the point of control. Correct. So what does that mean? This thing acts like a major level of resistance, major level of support. Now, the cool thing is, if I would have run this upside down now, from here to here, let's just say, look at this, right? So the second that we had this break and retest right over here, notice bearish engulfing candle. How crazy that we just caught that whole massive drop. I am telling you guys, this thing is a beast. So let's go back. Run this thing like a Fibonacci, literally, right? So I'm going to draw from here to here. Where are we? Point of control right there. So now let's keep going. What time is it? All right, we are in session. I am bullish. We can close above that point of control, man. I'm taking those buys. Yep, I'm taking those buys. Hopefully not a fake. Man, this volume is insane, dude. I am not going to lie. This volume is ridiculous. Very crazy volume. Oh my, look at that liquidity grab, bro. Look how nasty. What was that? Was that news? Oh yeah, it was 8:30 open news. I don't know what news it was. Is this NFP maybe? No, it wasn't NFP. But look at that, man. We already hit the 101 for sure. Yeah, we hit 101 100%. Dude, that liquidity gap was nasty. Again, guys, it happens 100%, right? But anyways, we've got to give our trade a second chance. We won the trade. Now we are above the point of control. Again, we got a break and a retest of the point of control, which was really solid. So notice how we have a break and retest of this point of control with that liquidity gap. We close right above, next candle, bullish engulfing straight to 40 plus pips and profit. Correct, guys. I'm telling you, this is how people trade, right? This is how real people trade. I'm talking about people with multi-millions of dollars. I'm not talking about people like me with the little $100 accounts and the little 10K, 20K accounts that we, I'm talking about institutional style. This is real institutional. All right. So pay attention, guys. So let's keep going. Now we are above the point of control. We are approaching this level of resistance. The indicator is showing me a break and a retest over here on this level. We are still very much bullish. Again, guys, this is very, very great, very solid. Let's wait till we get back in session. Alrighty, maybe we can get another bounce over here for another break and a retest. Let's see what can happen. Buyers are still in control. Dang, I went too fast, bro. This was a great break and retest right over here. Straight, beautiful, right over here. Bam, bullish candle, bullish on the AD, straight up. Let's keep going. Oh man, amazing. Straight to the next target. Straight to the next target. Let's remove this. Now we have a new point of control. Oh, look at that. Oh, great. What time is it? Perfect. Now I'm going to draw a new point of control over here. From this side to this side. Alrighty. Still solid. Let's see what we're going to do. We're going to come back and test it. $30-minute. Where are we at? 30-minute. Possibly down here. Great. So buyers are still in control at the end of the day. We are just in a pullback, right? So over here. All right, let's keep going. What time is it? Okay, it's still Asian session. All right, we are bullish. Notice how we have a crazy spike over here. Now, I do want to draw another one. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Where are we in session? We are in session. Possible buys, stops underneath the point of control. At the end of the day, once we start trading underneath here, that's a GG's, man, 100%. That is a GG's all the way. Oh, GG's on it, straight up. Didn't work out, wasn't for us. Now, if we do something like this, I'll be real with you guys. If we go over here on the 1 hour, if we do this over here, there you go, fixed range volume. From here to here, it's kind of still the same area. If we can do this, bear with me, guys. We're here for hours. We will be here. We will be here until you guys master this. We are underneath. Underneath. It's a target. And look at that. Right to this correction. Let's go. Buyers are back in control. Buyers are back in control. Break and retest right there. It happens. It happens. Remember, guys, you're not perfect. You're not perfect. We were not created to be perfect. We were not. What time is it? 2 a.m. No, 2 p.m. All right. So we can point of control acting as a support and resistance. Let's keep going, guys. We are solid. I'm going to draw another one over here. What time is it? 15. Let's keep going. Yeah, we are holding this level. Holding this level. Now, let's check AD. AD looks like we're about to be bearish, man. I ain't going to lie to you guys. Looks like we're about to be bearish. That I cannot lie to you guys whatsoever. Yep, that's a sell. Oh, no. What is this? What is this nasty range, boys? What is this range? What is this range? Well, boys, looks like it wasn't it. But as you guys can see, AD indicator broke highs, came back down, kept breaking highs. It was a loss. It was a loss. Now, we're using one against the other. You got to use them in confluence, guys. Use them in and get out of this dang range. Oh my God. Is that the sell? It was the sell. It was the sell, boys. It was the sell. So what happened? If we would have been maybe giving our trade a second chance, we would have won the trade. But as you guys can see, we did have the right idea. It was there. It just wasn't the right time. It wasn't the moment, but everything was there. Now, what most likely will happen, we will most likely continue to drop all the way down. Now we go on the 4 hour. Where's our next target? This SMA right over here. Ooh, great. 30-minute time. Oh man, look at this. This is perfect. This is perfect. Yep. What time is it? 16:30. Man, I'll swing that any day, dog. I'll swing that any day, dog. I lost my swing trade. It's okay. It is what it is. I'm just trying to have fun with you guys. All right, so let's see where we're at, guys, right? So notice we did try to get a little swing trade, but what happened, man? We're gambling. We're being too confident. We're being way too confident. We are being way too confident. We're not using everything together. Notice how we're just only using point of control, and we're still just we're not gonna do this. And this is gonna happen to you guys. This is gonna happen to you guys, right? So now we got to get into the spirit. No, sorry. We got to get into the actual what I wrote down over here. Ritualize your trading plan. Ritualize your trading. Same wake up time, same pre-market analysis, same journal format. Psychology causes habit stacking. This is how elite traders lock in consistency and removes dopamine cravings. Correct? That is what we're doing. We're getting these dopamine cravings because our brain it craves a casino like actual. How can I say this? It wants to trade like a casino, basically. It wants quick wins. That's what the brain wants. Now, if we are focused, 100% focused, and we are using everything in Confluence and not thinking about money, thinking about winning, and just thinking about following the trading plan, let me show you guys how crazy we can do this, right? What time is it? 11 in the morning? That's an aggressive drop. Where's my point of control? I'm going to just put it anyways. Now that looks like a massive level for support. We're trading above. We could probably get a liquidity grab, a little communication, boom. 50 SMA is rising. Okay. This looks great, actually. Dang, resistance came in crazy. How many pips was this? Yo, 40 pips? Can't even be mad about it. You cannot be mad about it. You really cannot. If you would have took a buy there, you can't be mad about 40 pips. All right, let's keep going. Ooh. Oh, that's a great liquidity graph. We needed liquidity, bro. How many pips was this? Like 200? No, 400 pips. 400 pips. Again, guys, market can't go up forever. We just took out these lows right over here, created new buying opportunities. There are new buying opportunities in the market. Now we have another one over here. This is a very high probability. This is very high probability. If we were to continue being bearish, I would be selling off to this level. I would be, right? So let me go back to the 30-minute. Let me see where we're at. Point of control. Probably, yep, there it is. Got a point of control over here. Let's keep going. And, this is 11:30. Jeez, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I did choose the worst market conditions because these are very, very scary. This would have been a greater entry, honestly. This would have been a better entry. All right, so we did we see a 101? Almost a 101. We were up about 60 pips. That was great. So got a 60 pip trade there. If we would have waited over here, you could have definitely been more than a 1-to-1 and you would have got 85 pips. So again, guys, multiple time frame confluence all the way. Let's keep going. Where are we now? Cool. Let's see maybe a rejection here. Nope, no rejection. Let's keep going. Buyers are in control right now. What time is it? 16:30. Let's keep going. Oh, we are back underneath. But The AD indicator is showing me we're pulling back up as well as the candle. Yeah, that looks like a good sell, but we're pretty much above. So that's a devil's advocate. We don't want to trade there. We want to use them all in confluence, all of them in confluence for the 15-minute. All right. Sheesh, man. This looks really good for a sell, dude. I ain't going to lie. Would I take it? No, it's not my session. 2 in the morning. All right, we got 2 in the morning under all these SMAs. Great. We have a possible sell. Where we at? Where we at? Maybe a solid confirmation. Oh, it's not that solid, honestly. Where we at? Yeah. Screw it. I would take this sell, man. If I were to take a trade, I'd take this sell. Let me see where my AD is showing. AD is kind of bearish. I ain't gonna lie, this is a very ugly range. Very ugly, very volatile, very scary situation. Nope, wasn't my trade. It wasn't for me. Now, notice we faked out sells. We came back up, did a break and a retest. 50 SMA, bullish. Hey, man, it happens. It happens. So we did see highs over here. This candle did break these highs over here on the AD. It was a fake out. We didn't break lows. That's one thing I didn't keep in mind. We did trade above this. It happens, boys. It happens. Even on replay mode, look at that. We can still take outs, correct? But this is one of the hardest trading times. This is March Madness, as you guys can see down here. So I try to do my best. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't want to use an easy month. So bear with me. I know there's haters in here like, what the? Hey, man, we're not all perfect, dude. Let's keep going. Alrighty. We are bearish. We are bearish. This is my trade right over here. This is my trade 100%. This is my trade. Oh, I'm telling you, man, that was perfect. All my confluences were there. It was all there, right? Literally everything, the AD, the point of control, the whole 9 yards was there. The 50 SMA, brother, rejection to the top, broke some lows. Guys, this was perfect. That was my trade. Look how confident I was when I put that thing right there. I was so confident. I'm telling you guys, March Madness, we killing it already though. We killing it. But again, guys, don't be too greedy. Don't get overconfident. It will happen again. We just got to use more confluences, and the more confluences that you see, the more confidence you get. How crazy is it that I just gained so much confidence right now? And I just won that trade. Like literally, I was more confident than ever. So what happens, right? So now, is this it? Yeah, this is it. So for example, now, internalize emotions. Journal every trade, every entry with state of mind. Data shows labeling emotions reduces their intensity by up to 70%, giving the control of chaos. Now, ritualize your trading. Same wake up time, same pre-market analysis, same trading journal format, right? Again, neuroscientists. The idea is when someone prays with intention, not rushed, not distracted, but fully present, the brain starts forming neural pathways in just 8 weeks. I'm telling you guys, I've been walking with Jesus for 60 days. It's the best thing you can do, right? I got to give him a little bit of love over here, right? So now reduce anxiety and fear. Your amygdala, which is your fear, calms down, improved emotional regulation. Prayer and scripture strengthens prefrontal cortex. So that's your self-control at the end of the day. So now I see my setup. I see this. I see all that. And again, if state of mind data shows labeling, journaling, all that, 70% will give you control over chaos. That's a lot of chaos going down there. That's a lot of chaos. But notice how I was so confident because I saw it. I saw it. It just hit me right there. Boom. It will happen to you guys. I'm telling you guys. I know you guys have also seen I've seen your golden rule setups. We all have one. We all have this is our golden setup. This was it. This was literally it. You couldn't have faked that at all whatsoever. Correct? Let's keep going. Whoop. So we're bullish now. Officially, almost. Well, no, we still have to hit these lows, but it's a very high probability. We probably not. Let's go to 30 minute point of control over here. I want to remove this. I want to drag it more down. Boom. Where are we going to go? Great. Bullish, bullish, bullish. 15-minute. Bullish. What time is it? 11 in the morning. I wouldn't take this trade because it's 11 in the morning, to be honest, and we already missed out. This was kind of like the setup over here. So look what happens. We're probably going to lose this trade. Nope, we just caught the continuation. It is what it is. So we caught the continuation of the whole entire move. So we did take out all these lows, came back up, broke above. Look at this. So the second we faked out, notice even though we broke all these lows, now this is something you really need to pay attention to. Now notice how we broke all of these lows here on the candles. Right over here, notice how we didn't break lows on the accumulation distribution. I'm telling you guys, smart money was literally just being quiet. Right? And you can track that all here with AD. So now second we broke up here above, that was perfect. It was a great continuation. We were just trading continually going. We were spiraling, ain't gonna lie. And this was our entry right over here. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. This was a great trade. This was a great setup. Got the continuation. Wasn't my time of trading, but hey man, it was a big move from where it originally happened, which was in this area right over here. So the 930 open, perfect. Fake out right over here. As you can see, it's a fake out because we're breaking lows, but on the AD, we're not breaking lows. We are at a support, right? So solid trade, solid trade. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. At the end of the day, even though we've had losses, we are still more profitable than we have lost. Yeah, I like that. Maybe a pullback. Oh, more chaos. Let's go into session. Oh, we are breaking highs. Notice how we're breaking highs and it's still bearish. Notice we're breaking highs over here on the indicator, but we are not breaking highs on the actual candles. What does this indicate? That we are most likely about to be completely bullish. That we are most likely about to be completely bullish. Either way, let's focus. All right. Let's keep going. We need to be above this level. I would like to really be above this level. There you go. I would take this. Whatever, it's replay mode. Sheesh. All right, guys. Oh, sorry for the. So, well, oh yeah, no, I think we're pretty much solid, bro. Unless we're in the fake out. Most likely. Yeah, we were in the fake out. It is what it is, boys. It is what it is. We started trading under the point of control, man. Under rejecting the 300 SMA. Remember the SMA is the 300 heavyweight, guys. Again, I went against the confluences. I was greedy. I got clapped. Happens. We lose together. We win together. That's what it is. And that's what we do in our group. We're always learning, though. But look at this. We're always learning. Now, what did I do wrong? I rejected the 300 SMA. I got under the 50. I got under the point of control. I am literally gambling at this moment. Why? Because the brain, remember, it needs dopamine. It craves dopamine. It craves gambling, right? I'm telling you, that's exactly why we just lost. It happens. We're not all perfect, right? And I'm going to continue saying it because I don't want you guys to get discouraged. Okay, cool. Oh, all right. I like that. I like that real lot right there. I ain't gonna lie to you, darling. Oh, 2 o'clock. Bullish. There you go. 1 hour. Point of control. Nope. Sorry. Great. We even gapped above it. All right, cool. 30 minute. Sheesh. Where are we? Where are we? All right, cool. So sellers are in control, but we are not making new lower lows. We did come back down here, which was over here. We are still kind of bullish. We're not going to lie. We are still bullish. Again, sellers are in control. This is a risky pullback buy. Worked out though. Worked out though. Insane. All right, now let's see if we can get a break and a retest for continuation. That's great. I would take this buy any day, honestly. Might be a little too late on the move. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this is the overall direction. So it's kind of late on the move. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Wow, there is no volume. What is going on? Indicator, what are the wow, the indicator is bullish. Oh, we are rejecting on the 30-minute. We did not keep that in mind. So we probably might lose this trade. Yep. We weren't focused. Oh. Oh. Did we hit a 1-to-1? Oh, we hit a 1-to-1. Yo, we won. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. We won that trade. Can you imagine a 386? Oh. Oh, snap. Dean 2.84. How much pips? A whole 200 pip move. A 200 pip move. So that was a solid swing trade. Solid swing trade. Super solid. Fixed falling rain. Bam. Oh, that was crazy. That was insane, dude. Insane. Sheesh, bro. That's a break even. How many pips was that? 40 pips. Yo, I'm telling you guys. Do you need any more than 40 pips? Do you need more than 40 pips? Yes, I need 100. I give you the 100 pips. I'm telling you, man. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, let's take a little 5-minute break. I'll be right back. I gotta pee, man. All right, boys, we're back. All right, so we completely slaughtered, man. It was really great trade. And brother, can we be honest? We're smacking when we are playing all our cards together. Once we are playing the game of patience, playing the game of discipline, what happens? We are literally just completely slaughtering. Boom, this was great. Man, that is still bearish. That thing is going to drop. Oh, news. News. Oof. All right, so it looks like we kind of got exhausted a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Let's go to 15-minute. Where are we at? 15-minute. Yeah. I called it. I called it. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Let's keep dragging that. Alrighty. So now let's get into this drop right over here. Boom. Point of control. Above the point of control. We are bullish on the AD. Time is at 9 o'clock in the morning. Probably. We're on a pullback. We got indicators. Our indicators are in our favor. Let's check the 5-minute. Yeah, only a few of them. Wow, that 5-minute candle is 38 pips. Sheesh, dude. I'm telling you, these are probably the hardest trading conditions. Look at that. Completely mopped in 15 minutes. Very terrible trading conditions, man. Super, super aggressive. And it was a liquidity grab too, guys. Sheesh, look at that. Oh, man. But again, guys, we need to go through the dirt. We got to be in the hardest trading conditions, man. Because let me tell you, we can still do good and we can still be great in hard trading conditions. Man, we'll kill it in great ones, you know? So patience, guys. Patience with your journey, man. Look at that. Yep, that's a buy all day, every day. Swing trade buy for sure. to be honest. I don't know how I feel about it. I would swing it though. Nope. That looks bad. Now, we did break lows on the AD. We did break lows. We are under point of control. This looks like it could probably reverse. Oh, baby. Let's go. So 80 pips right there. Oh, man, this was great. This was great. So where are we probably going to go? Top of this move. Let's go over here. Drag this out. Let's go. Give me that. Boom. Perfect. So there you have it. We completely slaughtered 2 risk to reward ratio. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We killed it. We completely killed it. Now, again, guys, I'm a GJ trader. I did want to show you guys Euro. I did want to show you other things, but hey, man, I believe that GJ is the bread and butter, man. So, even in this nasty killer range, because believe it or not, this is really, really terrible. This is really, really terrible. Freaking March Madness. This was bad. This was 2 years ago. By the way, I remember this was insane. This was insane. I remember not being profitable here. I'll be real with you. I remember gambling because it was in me. Just kidding. Give me a bullish. There you go. Oh, man. I'm telling you, this is how you get greedy and this is how you gamble. Literally. Now, this is why I've always wanted to be a swing trader, but I just don't have the patience, bro. I really don't. Literally, I just don't have the patience for it. Oof. Smack that stop loss. Crazy. Don't have the patience for it. Oh, under all the SMAs, if we can just break above, which would be solid. What time is 30-minute time frame? No new lower lows. Yeah, no. I believe that's a fake out. Yep, I knew it. I had a feeling. 3 in the morning. Oh, rejected that point of control. Rejected it. Oh, we're on the SMAs. I would take this buy, honestly. I would personally wait for that next candle close, but anyways. Wow. Whoa. What is going on? I don't even know how anybody could have been profitable here. Bro, this is very bad, man. This is very bad. Look at these ranges are 50 to 100 pips long plus. Jeez, dude. That was luck. I ain't gonna lie. That was really, really luck. Realistically speaking. If you would have held this trade over here, we never got stopped. But at the end of the day, this was the point of entry. This could have been a great buy. Literally after this pullback right over here. But we don't trade Asian session. So this was really good luck. Yeah, Asian session. Straight up. Good luck right over here. 100 pip move. Great. Hey, man. Worked out, though. Pure price action. Should we? Yeah, we should. Yeah, let's get it. Solid. Super solid. Now, I want to go to the 4-hour. See where we're at. Very solid. Above those indicators, my boys. Above those indicators, we saw new highs. AD is seeing new highs. Man, we are bullish all the way, man. We are bullish all the way. Literally. We are bullish all the way. 150 pip move right there. We are bullish. We're bullish, man. I'm telling you guys, this is the way to trade. This is how elite professional traders trade, guys. And I really do believe, man, if you guys can just focus, man, just focus on price action, focus on your support and resistance, and you focus on just using things that people who make millions of dollars do outside of selling courses, guys. This is great. Now, I fully haven't mastered this psychologically. Guys, I'm still learning. Again, guys, I want to learn. I want to learn every day. I don't want to stop learning. But again, guys, man, if you guys want to join my community, guys, I'm going to teach you guys. I'm still going to give you guys some free education on here. But again, guys, let's freaking go. Let's kill it. And let me give you guys maybe like another one right over here. Let me give you guys maybe another one because we've already done more than our education. I don't want to bore you guys with it. Let's go a fixed range right over here from this entry to this entry. There we have it. We have a possible pullback. Indicates it right there. Very strong possibility. This is a swing trade. Straight to the AD. And again, that's if we don't lose. This is it. This is the trade if we don't lose the trade. Correct. Oh, never mind. That was a crazy open. Oh, that was the end of the week. Yeah, no, that wasn't it, boys. That wasn't it at all. Literally was not it at all. So 120 pips right after on the next entry. So we got stopped out one, but if we would have came back, hey man, we would have made we would have got 100 pips with no stop loss entry. Hit that. Let's go. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys, man. Leave a like, leave a thumbs up, man. Get the algorithm going, guys. Appreciate you guys. If you guys want any one-on-ones, if you guys want any classes, guys, my Telegram is there, FX Daniel Savage, guys. I got you, man. Again, guys, I want to be a light in this industry. I want to give education. I don't want to charge for it. But hey, man, I do got a community, guys, with everybody that trades their own style, man. There's no mentor in there, guys. I just run the group. But listen, man, I appreciate you guys for watching, man. God bless every single one of you guys. And I pray and I decree that everybody who watched this video and got to this far, I declare prosperity. I declare just winning over your life in every area. I declare that God, and I decree that God will open doors that no man can shut. That I ask God to fill everything in your life with his presence. So that way you guys can come back to this very moment and say, Daniel, that prayer worked. I've got my first payout. I got this. I got that. Daniel, Jesus' name, amen, guys. I really want the best for you guys, man. I really do. I messed up a lot in my last life, but hey, man, I was reborn. I get to do my life all over again. I'm a father. I'm healthy. I'm clean. I'm glowing. I'm the healthiest I've ever been. And again, I'm building on the rock with my team, guys. And I'd love it if you guys came by, man. So I appreciate you guys so much, man. God bless every single one of you. Let's kill it.